The Solvia 8x32 AI binoculars used with the MatataXplore Optics app provide real-time HD viewing, camera control, and parameter adjustment. The app also supports media export, image enhancement, cloud AI recognition, and social media sharing for a better experience. Search for and download MatataXplore Optics from your mobile app store. iOS devices require version 15.0 or above, while Android devices require version 7.0 or above. Tap Settings Wi-Fi at the top right of the screen to turn on Wi-Fi and get the device's Wi-Fi name and password. Open the MatataXplore Optics app, tap the Connect button on the home screen, and follow the prompts to connect to Wi-Fi. The Solvia 8x32 can sync live images to a phone or tablet via Wi-Fi. Tap the Photo button on your phone to take pictures, and tap the Video button to record videos. All captured photos and videos can be viewed in the album. Tap the Album button to view all previously captured photos and videos. When viewing a photo, AI enhancement can be enabled automatically. Tap Local to select an image, then tap Identify to perform AI recognition. The recognition results can also be viewed in the Log section. Tap the Share button to share your images on social media.